Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, let me first introduce myself. My name is Yoga Yusuf Suparman, and now currently I stand to study graduated from IDN boarding school, and then it's a international curriculum with a technology orientation that I have been learned before. And then you can see in the monitor is my dream university is named by Beijing University of Technology. So it's the old technology university in China with so many students that has graduate and become a big people with make a startup or technology product and then famous in this world. So I choose Beijing University. It's like university that have vocational, it's like polytechnic, and then I will choose the polytechnic first with orientation same like my majoring is network computer, and also it's established with research that the student in this university made is very extraordinary. So I feel a challenge to myself to make it same like the student there. And also it's programs. Of course I will choose a computer science but with a section is e-commerce or AI. Why I not choose a network is I wanna explore a new world, but in the same section. And then start from I search the website. It have a 12 package for one semester. It's a very simple for like other university is more than 12, but in Beijing it's make a simple for the learning package. And also, I applied for a bachelor, and it's for my experience is I have a certified MTCNA, MTCRA, and CCNA that is an international certificate I achieved, and then it's for the depends of material that I already understand and about network monitoring or network administration, and also about a network operation is my skills for right now. And then about Beijing technology is focused for building the character skills more and more for the student. And then as we know in China, you should to have health and more strong energy. So in Beijing, you should to have something that make you always today like a food, and then you should to doing sports, maybe like playing ball, run, or maybe gym is included to the end of a semester exam. So it's just not for thinking about the theoretical or a practice, but you should to the join for the sport examination or the one obligation is a Taobao exam. It make me challenge to pass all of them. And then studying abroad in China is also make my life better, and then it's a big opportunity to know a new culture, meet a new people, and then also explore all of the hidden gem in China. It's find something cultural building, or maybe find how China doing to upgrade his technology. Like all of the system in China is use technology for this era. And then for the special significance for me is oriented of a rapid technology from transportation, health, and then customer service. Also developed by a technology, and then I believe for the ecosystem in university is very kind for myself, and then can expanding can unlock a new knowledge with my skills, and I confidence to get an opportunity join as a student in this university because I has been provided my academic skill and also with international perspective about China. China is a center of technology for right now, and also about all of the rules that make strong to apply these universities because is behind of my experience now is a balance with the China students doing for right now. With my background and my passion is technology, it's make it easy to adaptation as soon as possible. And then it's my own enthusiasm for join and then learning again about innovation, or maybe make a big research that can give a big effect for the world. A lot of students in Indonesia also like me have a big motivation to study abroad in China. It's because government make easy rules for the student that when studying there. But the behind of what I do right now, I have prepared well about arts, SK, and then all of the another document is like LOA, visa, or that's my report during I school in IDN. And also about the fields that I will join, like artificial intelligence and data. I have a big interest that childhood is about data. So I like to management data and then how to make the data relate with a market in real life. Or maybe innovation for right now, artificial intelligence is as well as good. People right now have an interest to using AI. So I don't want to just consume, but I want to make a product. But AI is a productive product, innovative product, and can help human in this world. And with China's national high research, I believe it can make a big effect when I bring all of the knowledge after I graduate from there to Indonesia, to my country. And because I know China have a great management for education, so I know about the China support of a sustainable global development, or the another like China wanna develop a new education system, so can make the ranking of all of the China universities is become a top 50 or maybe a top 10. So it's the step that government China move to make its university is more better, and then it's a good news that I heard. So I'm more now beneficial if I study in there. It's my big motivation and the main point of my motivation. And then last but not least, another when in Indonesia I can give a new effect or maybe if I become the government after I go to China, if I can make new rules that the people in Indonesia, student Indonesia can make new technologies, is product made by Indonesia, it's original, not contributed by the other country or something like that, including about education or computer science, of course. And then last, I will pursue my study right now, and then after I get opportunity, I will really to have a strong spirit, and then I will pass what struggle or the challenging. It's fine to me. It's something's not bad for me. So it's a time for go abroad. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.